Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting intent. Your goal is mutual, enthusiastic consent. Use AI to draft short, respectful openers and curiosity-driven questions. This speeds preparation, not persuasion. Once done, pick a comfortable, low-distraction setting and rehearse natural phrasing the model suggested. Make sure to include explicit consent prompts. Ask, "Would you like a kiss?" So you both know the boundary. You're creating clarity and safety, which increases trust. And that's the point behind Once rapport is underway, use AI to refine conversational threads that reflect the other person's interests. This helps you stay engaged, not scripted. You'll practice active listening phrases and mirroring, short prompts the model offers, and then adapt them so they sound like you. If the other person hesitates, have prepared contingency phrases to pause and check in, such as, "Is this okay?" Then respect the answer. These steps maintain comfort and make any next move consensual. You're at the moment to act, ask clearly, "Can I kiss you?" Short and direct, the AI-prepared variations help if you need different tones. Then read cues, positive nods, leaning in, sustained eye contact, proceed slowly. Any ambiguity or negative cue means step back and check in. If things go wrong, misread signals or sudden pullback, pause, apologize if needed, and ask what they want next. Prioritizing consent resolves most issues and preserves dignity for both of you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.